morning, teachers. Our report is, our presentation is
About economic report.
about economic report.
You can see in our video that the equivalent of peso in a dollar, 48.46 pesos is equal to $1. Then first, our economic was not progressive because long ago our president were so busy about wars and each one of them is corrupt so that our economics do not progress. But now, our economic, when Goy Aquino was declared as a president, our economic progress. And until now, our economic progress, but I think it's not progressive because, yun, because,
Because our political is very corrupted.
so that our economic progress slowly, not fast. Like, like other countries, because their presidents are responsible. And that's the end of our
That's all. Thank you.
Ah, our tradition that we use divided was first, then after that.
That's all. Thank you.